Hello everyone, this is your girl Pauline from My Crafting Hut. Yep, it's been a while since I've been on here doing any videos, but today I'm coming to you with a Mother's Day concept. So if you're new to my channel, thank you for visiting and I hope you subscribe, like the video, share, comment. I would love to hear from you. If you're a subscriber, I thank you for subscribing. As always, I appreciate you. And if you're just stopping by just to see what's going on, I hope you like this video. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So today I'm using one of these ottomans. I got this ottoman from um, Five and Below just before um, just before Valentine's Day. I got a couple of them, and this is the first one that I'm using. So, what I did was I went ahead and I taped the backing to the back of the ottoman. So, this will be the back end, and this would be the front. So, I stuffed the ottoman with, I used a piece of this flooring board at the bottom to give it some support. And then I stuffed it with a bunch of paper, crafting paper. And then I used another piece of this foam board on top to give it um, a flat support for my products. I also used a piece of foam board as a riser for a couple of the items that I'm using. So with that being said, let's see how I'm going to place this stuff in here. So, I got this from City Trend a while back, and I'm going to use this. I'm not taking it out of the box. I'm using it just the way it is. It came, it's a three-piece, and it was for $50, but I got it for I think it was seven something. Yes. So I'm going to use that. Put that in there. Okay. And I have me some bubble baths. And I got this from Ollie's. So we're going to use this bubble bath right there. And this also came from Ollie's. This is the body cream and the fragrance. This is Wild Puppy. And this says fresh raspberry. I thought I had a Wild Puppy for this one too. Uh, let me. Okay, so I thought that I had the Wild Puppy in this, but I don't. So, for the sake of this video, I'm going to put it here, but I'll get the Wild Puppy. I have to go back to Ollie's and see if they have the Wild Puppy. But the color and the concept is the same. I don't know. I might leave it. Anyway, so let's put that back there. Okay. Now I also have here this I got from another store. I don't remember where I got it from. I don't know if you can see that. Uh it's a scented beads to freshen up the room. So thinking I'll put that right there. Okay. I have this queen bracelet set. Of course, mommy is our queen. So I'm going to put that there. Let's Let's glue that so that it don't move. Yep. So put it there just like that. Okay. I also have here, oh, I have this book, a journal, and it says I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. So I am going to add this. I might go ahead and put it this way. Let's see. Can you see that? Yeah. Yeah, I think I'll do that. Put it that way. And and I have this cup here. Bring a little more color to it. It has some of the color from the beads here, so I think that will work. Let's see. I also have here some flowers. I think I'll cut this down. Oh, maybe I won't need to. So now these flowers, I got this from Walmart right after Valentine's Day. I got several of these different colors. I have some purple also, and I love them. So I'm thinking that I can put that right there. So mm, let's see. What else can I put in here? No, I don't want that. Oh, I have this. I have this Diva perfume. So, Girl Shine Sugar. My grandson woke up, so he's gonna come out here crying, looking for me. Open the door. All right. So yeah. So I have that Diva perfume, and I think that's going to be it. I am going to put some. Let's see if I have any pink. Give me just a minute. Okay, so I was going to go ahead and use some of this, but I changed my mind. And I just went ahead and used some of this pink tulle that I have here. So, yeah, I did put, I am going to use some of that. I am going to use some of that as filler just in between, just in between here. Yeah. It would have been nice if this was a little darker pink, but I'm going to make it do what it's do. It's going to blend in really with the ottoman, so I guess it's not bad. Yeah. Okay. So yep, you also this is what I came up with for this basket, this concept. So we have the bathrobe, the three piece. It has the mask, the robe, and it has the bath sponge. I have the bubble bath. I have the fragrance, the body cream, the room deodorizer, I have the perfume. I might take this. I think I'm going to take this out of the box. Yeah. Because I don't like that. Well, that gray do go a little bit with that. I might leave it. I have here the cup. Oops, I'm glad I picked that up because let's take off the price here. Take that off. And put this back in here. Okay. So, yeah. And of course, we have the journal. So, that is this concept. This is what I came up with for this one. So, I am going to glue everything down. And then I will wrap it. I don't think I'm going to Frank wrap this. I might just do a cellophane bag wrap, but I'll come back and show the picture of it when it's all done. But yeah, tell me what you think about this, y'all. This is one of my Mother's Day concepts. So yeah. All right, so I hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that share button. Wait. And please comment. Subscribe. I am really appreciative of every one of you. Grandma. And anyone that you recommend to my. Hold on, baby. Grandma. Hold on, baby. Grandma. Yes? Subscribe. Okay. When I'm done, okay? All right. Yeah, and please recommend my channel to other people, your friends, your mama, your father, your sister, your brother, your uncle. Subscribe. Your girl needs some memberships. So, with that being said, as always, you all have a blessed day. See ya.